Now, I bought this 40 years ago at an auction, and it comes in handy. You never know when something will fit, and I always go to this first and look, and usually I find what I need. And it's nothing more than just a little cabinet with a bunch of drawers that holds all sorts of different fasteners. And in the last 40 years, I have always found what I need in the most cases, and it just comes in handy just like this one does. I bought it the same time, and between the two of them, I've usually found some little tiny nuts, bolts, screws, or fasteners or some sort, and I've added others to it over the time. So, yeah, you never know when a fastener comes in handy, just like we're going to do now for this bass clarinet. So, yeah, it all comes completely to a surprise to some folks, but then again, you have what you need in most cases. Oh yes, MACT back, and we're back in the garage, and we have to do a repair in this fine band instrument that only God knows how old this thing is and how many children have blown air through it. It is called, what do you call it, a bass clarinet. And apparently the age is getting to it, and we're missing this little screw here. That little rod goes through there, and it holds the music so that it is stationary while said daughter plays and walks around in the marching band. And while it's playing, it's just doing the old flip-flop back and forth because there is no screw to hold it in place. Thus, it makes rather hard. I'm not going to say that it does change her music playing abilities, but she's doing pretty good for just starting. And seventh grade band, I guess, is full of its trials and tribulations. But let's see if we got a screw here. I do have lots of screws, but I think we got to have a fine screw that... A cotter pin, that ain't gonna work. Got all sorts of stuff. I don't know. No, those look too small. That ain't gonna work. I got something someplace. Ideally, this is what I'm trying to find. Something with a head like this, but in far smaller size. I'm not finding anything. Let's see. Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh, I got two of them. Let's go ahead and try this out and see if this will fit in there. Oh my gosh, in like flint. Yeah, buddy. That thing should hold. It doesn't have to hold hard, but I'm thinking threads are just about a little loose. We'll see what it does. But in a pinch for an upcoming band play, I guess that's what it's going to be. So let's go ahead and put this thing on there and get it cinched up and see if it works. This is the little sheet music holder thingy, and we just slide it right in there. There we go. And we tighten it up, and it don't flop anymore. Yes, it will make her bellow as a bass clarinet on the dancing fields of a football stadium tonight. MACT has helped his youngest daughter again. Let's play some music.